Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you the software to download videos in bulk on social networking platforms, then automatically edit. It will help you save a lot of time and effort. In the software there will be more than 1000 effects for you to choose from. Now I will try to download videos and edit them in bulk for you to see. You go to Scan, Download Video, select the platform you want to download videos and the number of videos you want to download. Then enter the keyword and it will download videos related to that keyword for you. Then, you copy the video link, go to the video download section and paste it here. Select the folder to save these videos. Done. Let's watch the video before editing. Next, we will edit it in batch. Just select the effect you want. For example, I will insert a logo into all the videos just now. Select the effect configuration and select the folder containing the logo. Then select the videos we just downloaded and select the folder to save the videos after editing. Let's see the results. As you can see, all videos have the logo inserted in the right corner. I will leave contact information and software download link below the description. If you are interested, you can contact me via Telegram. See you in the next videos.